Current chairman of BCCI, Sourav Ganguly. Current chairman of BCCI, Sourav Ganguly. Water-soluble vitamins, vitamin B and C. Water-soluble vitamins, vitamin B and C. Largest river island in the world, Majuli Brahmaputra. NABARD was established in which year? 1982. NABARD was established in 1982. The tomb of Sher Shah Suri is located at Sasaram, Bihar. The tomb of Sher Shah Suri is located at Sasaram, Bihar. Total number of basic units in the International System of Units, 7. Total number of basic units in the International System of Units, 7. Which ruler belongs to Chola dynasty? Rajendra Chola. Weight of Chandrayaan 2, 3850 kg. Weight of Chandrayaan 2, 3850 kg. Ozone Day is celebrated on which day? 16th September. CEO of Yes Bank, Prashant Kumar. Ozone Day is celebrated on which day? 16th September. EEG is used to measure brain functioning. EEG is used for brain functioning. India's rank in World Hunger Index, 94. India's rank in World Hunger Index, 94. UNICEF was established on 11th December 1946. UNICEF 11th December 1946. Waterfall located on Sharavati River, Jog Falls, Karnataka. Waterfall located on Sharavati River, Jog Falls, Karnataka. Sachin Tendulkar made his first century in which match? 79th match. Laterite soil is rich in iron. Laterite soil is rich in iron. 1 nibble is equal to 4 bit. 1 nibble is equal to 4 bit. Ultraviolet rays are absorbed in stratosphere. Ultraviolet rays are absorbed in stratosphere. Who is the president of Ukraine? Vladimir Zelensky. Lok Sabha seats in Uttar Pradesh, 80. Lok Sabha seats in Uttar Pradesh, 80. The highest waterfall in India, Kunjikal Falls, according to 2020 survey. Where is the rail coach factory? Kapoorthala, Punjab. What is the time period of the 12th 5-year plan? 2012 to 2017. Who was the founder of Pala dynasty? Gopala. Hirakud Dam is situated in which state? Odisha. Hirakud Dam is situated in which state? Odisha. Karmayodha Granth book is based on which personality? Narendra Modi. Karmayodha Granth book is based on which personality? Narendra Modi. Sultan Aslan Shah Cup held in which country? Malaysia. Sultan Aslan Shah Cup held in which country? Malaysia. When was the Rashtrapati Bhavan constructed? Started in 1912, finished in 1929. Who is the author of Era of Darkness? Shashi Tharoor. Era of Darkness, Shashi Tharoor. When was Indian Reforms Association founded? 1870 by Keshav Chandra Sen. Kumayun Himalayas is situated between two rivers, Satluj and Kali River. Nobel Prize winner Abiy Ahmed Ali belongs to which country? Ethiopia. In which year right to property was removed from the fundamental rights? 1978. In which year right to property was removed from the fundamental rights? 1978. How many districts are there in Ladakh Union Territory? 2. Leh and Kargil. Panchsheel Agreement was signed between which countries? India and China. Panchsheel Agreement signed between India and China in April 1954. In April 1954. What is the atomic number of copper? 29. What is the atomic number of copper? 29. What is the value of Earth gravitational constant? 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11. What is the value of Earth gravitational constant? 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11. Financial emergency is included in which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution? Article 360. Who invented dynamite? Alfred Nobel. Who received Dada Saheb Phalke Award in 2019? Amitabh Bachchan. Who received Dada Saheb Phalke Award in 2019? Amitabh Bachchan. Who is the Deputy Governor of RBI? M. Rajeshwar Rao. Who is the Deputy Governor of RBI? M. Rajeshwar Rao. Governor of RBI Shaktikanta Das. 1 GB equal to 1024 MB. 1 GB equal to 1024 MB. What was India's rank in Asian Athletic Championship in 2019? 4th rank. What was India's rank in Asian Athletic Championship in 2019? 4th rank. Who has won the Sir Garfield Sobers Trophy of the Year 2019? Ben Stokes. Who has won the Sir Garfield Sobers Trophy of the Year 2019? Ben Stokes. Kala Azar is caused by protozoa. Kala Azar is caused by protozoa. How many art forms are there in Kathakali? 5 forms. How many art forms are there in Kathakali? 5 forms. Who is the Chief of Defence Staff of Indian Army? Bipin Rawat. Who is the Chief of Defence Staff of Indian Army? Bipin Rawat. Hard disk is which type of storage? Secondary storage. Hard disk is secondary storage. Who won the Durand Cup 2019? Gokulam Kerala Fan Club. Who won the Durand Cup 2019? Gokulam Kerala Fan Club. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of Indian Constitution? B.R. Ambedkar. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of Indian Constitution? B.R. Ambedkar. Iravikulam National Park is located in which state? Kerala. Iravikulam National Park is located in which state? Kerala. Who received the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award 2019? Deepa Malik and Bajrang Punia. Who received the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award 2019? Deepa Malik and Bajrang Punia. Full form of VPA, Virtual Payment Address. India's first underwater metro come up in Kolkata. India's first underwater metro come up in Kolkata. Rocketman of India, K. Shivan. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh. 15th Finance Commission Chairman Nandakishore Singh. 15th Finance Commission Chairman Nandakishore Singh or N.K. Singh. Arunachal Pradesh Chief Minister Prem Gandu. Red Planet Mars. Red Planet Mars. Aryabhatta was launched in 1975. Aryabhatta was launched in 1975. Which gas is filled in balloons? Helium. Which gas is filled in balloons? Helium. Where did the third edition of the Galo India held? Guwahati. How many types of seismic waves are there? 2 types, body and surface wave. Name the woman who spent the most time in space. Christina Koch, 328 days. If the president dies during his tenure, then who does his work after that? Vice President. Srirangapattanam is situated on the banks of which river? Kaveri River. Srirangapattanam is situated on the banks of Kaveri River. Who was the first election commissioner? Sukumar Sen. Sunil Arora is the current 23rd Chief Election Commissioner. How many Grand Slams are there in a year? 4. Australian Open, French Open, Wimbledon and US Open. What is used in third generation computer? Integrated circuits. Treaty of Allahabad on August 12, 1765. Chemical formula of butane, C4H10. Chemical formula of butane, C4H10. The largest hockey stadium is situated in Lahore. National Hockey Stadium, Gaddafi Hockey Stadium. What is the radius of the moon? 1737.1 km. When was the first Winter Olympic held? 1924. When was the first Winter Olympic held? 1924. Which sports is played on the green court? Tennis. Which sports is played on the green court? Tennis. Which acid is available in tomato? Oxalic acid. Which acid is available in tomato? Oxalic acid. GST comes under which amendment bill? 122. NABARD was established in which year? 1982. NABARD was established in 1982. Who won the Sahitya Akademi Award 2019 for Hindi? Nandakishore Acharya. Dudhsagar Fall is located in which of the following state? Goa. Dudhsagar Fall is located in Goa. Vivekananda Rock Memorial is situated in Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu. Vivekananda Rock Memorial is situated in Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu. When was Rover Cup started? 1891. Jittu Rai is related to which sport? Shooting. Lavani dance is associated with which state? Maharashtra. Lavani dance, Maharashtra. Total number of Lok Sabha seat in Rajasthan, 25. Total number of Lok Sabha seat in Rajasthan, 25. Who was the runner-up of Cricket World Cup 2019? New Zealand. Who was the runner-up of Cricket World Cup 2019? New Zealand. What is the name of the Brahmaputra River in Tibet? Sangpo. How many people received Padma Vibhushan 2019? 4. How many people received Padma Vibhushan 2019? 4. In which state is the Konark Sun Temple located? Odisha. Konark Sun Temple located in Odisha. Salsette, Ireland is situated in which state? Mumbai, Maharashtra. Salsette, Ireland is situated in Mumbai, Maharashtra. The Chingham National Park is located in which union territory? Jammu and Kashmir. What is the relative density of silver? 10.8. Air relative density is equal to 1.225 and water relative density is 1000. What is height of Tehri Dam? 260 meter. Located in Uttarakhand state. How many Indian states share a border with Bhutan? 4. West Bengal, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh and Sikkim. Magnus Carlsen is related to which sports? Chess. Who is the current Chief of Army Staff? Manoj Mukund Narawane. Which state topped the Sustainable Development Index? Kerala. SARC was established in which year? 1985. SARC was established in 1985. Protein is made of how many amino acids? 20. Treaty of Amritsar signed between British East India Company and Ranjit Singh.